Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Xdebug to debug your PHP. And in this scenario is debug the Laravel framework. To get started, you need to clone my repo here. Let's clone this repository. Link I have put in the description. So I have cloned in my current directory. So after you got my video, you can do this. You can debug the Laravel and what's the variable and the value of the cookie, etc. To summarize, you can watch everything, the variable, and get a deep dive into Laravel framework. So let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is clone my repository, and then go to the Docker directory PHP. I have created a file named Xdebug.ini. So how this file works? This file will be copied by the Docker file. I have added this command here. This command will install the Xdebug into your project and copy the config in Xdebug.ini to the PHP inside the container. So here is the config of Xdebug. So you just need to add two commands into the Docker file. And another thing I want to tell you that Xdebug just available from PHP version 8.0. So that's not the PHP version. And inside the Docker Compose, we have some config here. We have service Laravel, MySQL, and Nginx. So to get installed the Xdebug, you need to review your container. Just run Docker Compose view. Now it's be complete. Docker Compose view will download on the dependency into your project. So Docker is to list on the container. Here we have three containers: MySQL, Nginx, and Laravel. So let's get into the Laravel container. Docker SQ. Let's see. So now we are inside the container of Laravel. So let's run Composer install. different composers installed to install on the packets inside composer.json. So wait a minute till it's finished. And I want to tell you that this is the port of the real machine to access to Laravel app. So it completes. And now you can go to the browser and hit enter. Here's the Laravel app running inside the container for 8000. And now to debug the Laravel, I will go inside the index.php and add a breakpoint. So I add a breakpoint in the first line of the index.php and click this button. The button has icon telephone. Click here to start listening from the container. And now go to the browser and refresh. So here it is. We can debug the Laravel now. So if you don't want to debug inside the index.php, you can go to the app controller or round web here. So I will give you a example is that I will create a variable age have value 2. And now you stop debug and go to the browser, refresh again. Oh. Breakpoint here. So why I add the breakpoint as web.php, but the debugger not stop as web.php? It's because the mapping of the source in real machine and the source as the container. Here in the container we have directory home, source, and main. Here is on the code that have mapping from the real machine in my local. My local machine is Docker Laravel here. And inside the container is home, source, main. That mapping we have configured inside the Docker Compose file. Here, we map the Laravel in your local machine to the home, source, main inside the container. So to debug, much more exactly, you need to configure the path mapping of the PHP storm. You need to go PHP storm setting. Go to the PHP, click here in the tab debug, click here, and then we have path mapping. We need to find the path mapping I think inside the server. Okay. Bixby server. And then you can map the real path in your local machine and the path inside the container. So in my scenario is home soup main, and the public is home soup main public.php is equal to Laravel public here, and hit OK. So let's debug again. Go to the browser and refresh. Click here to go to the next breakpoint. Cool. Now we can debug on the file of the Laravel. So here I have create a variable named age, and the value of the variable is YouTube. Exactly. So if you want go to inside the view function, just step into, click this button, step into, or F7. And now you can debug inside the Laravel core. If you want have the deep understand of the Laravel and how Laravel works, let's install the Xdebug, and then let's discover the Laravel code base. And that's it. That's simple. And now you can clone my project and just following the instruction of this video, and you can debug the Laravel and reach the PHP code base more easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for the upcoming video. Thank you.